Hi, welcome to Preview Learning Week 2. We are going to be introing geology this week with the rock cycle. In eighth grade science, you'll get to get your hands on different rock and mineral samples and learn how those rocks and minerals form and how the surface processes on the earth change and what we can tell about Earth's history through these samples, through these rocks and mineral samples. So, as an introduction to the spheres, we learned about a little bit about the geosphere, which is the sphere that we'll focus on for the rock cycle. The geosphere includes all solid materials on Earth that are non living. So, rocks and soil, most parts of soil, any sediments, and how that sphere interacts with the atmosphere and the hydrosphere, which is our water, is going to show how a interconnectedness between all these spheres to show how all the systems of the earth act as one, which is the overarching concept for eighth grade science. So I have a couple of links provided in this assignment that will introduce you to the rock cycle through a video, give you some important facts for each type of rock: sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic, and then discuss how those rocks change and how they form a cycle where you have one rock that can become a different type of rock. Just like any cycle, there's no beginning or end. It's just a cyclical process that allows one rock to be turned into another rock. And then at the end, the last thing that I would like you to do is use your creativity to create a storyboard, which is like a comic strip, to describe a rock's journey through the rock cycle. So come up with your own rock, name them, and discover and talk about how this rock could have changed into these different forms of rocks. And you can get creative with this and use whatever type of storyline you would like. It's a work of fiction. All right. Thank you very much. And I look forward to seeing what you all produce.